How do you turn the ACCA Corporate and Business Law paper from a challenge into a victory? By mastering both the subject matter and the exam strategy. This paper is packed with legal concepts that can feel overwhelming at the first, but we will break down the syllabus and walk you through the exam format. So, let's get started. ACCA Corporate and Business Law paper is to equip you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the general legal framework and specific legal areas related to business. This course emphasizes understanding law and when to seek specialized advice. It acknowledges that candidates are more likely to become accountants rather than lawyers. The goal is to build their understanding of the general legal framework, enhance their skills in specific business area, and recognize when to seek expert legal advice when needed. The ACCA LW syllabus can be broken down into several key categories. Let's decode them one by one. In section A, you will cover the basic of business, political and legal systems, as well as international trade, international legal regulation, and conflict of laws. It also covers alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. Next up, section B focuses on international business transactions. This includes the UN Convention on Contracts for the international sales of goods and ICC Incoterms. You will learn the roles and responsibilities of buyers and sellers plus shared provisions. In section C, you will get into the transportation documents and payment methods for international business transactions, an area critical for those working with global markets. Section D covers how businesses are formed and operate, touching on agency law, partnerships, corporations, and the legal framework behind the formation and constitution of a company. In section E, you will study share capital, loan capital, and the laws governing capital maintenance and dividends. This is essential for understanding how companies fund their operations. Moving on to section F, it's all about company management and regulation. You will cover the roles of directors, other officers, company meetings, and resolutions, which are crucial for smooth corporate governance. Section G dives into insolvency law, explaining the processes of insolvency and administration. Understanding this helps you know what happens when companies face financial difficulties. Finally, section H addresses corporate fraud and criminal behavior. It is essential to know how to identify and prevent fraudulent activities in business environments. The ACCA Corporate and Business Law paper is worth 100 marks and is designed to ensure comprehensive coverage of the entire syllabus. The exam is online and entirely objective based with no long form answers required. Section A is worth 70 marks and features 45 objective test questions. This includes 25 questions worth 2 marks each and 20 questions worth 1 mark each. Here are a few tips for tackling OTQs. Number 1, read each question carefully. Number 2, don't rush your answers. Number 3, use the process of elimination. Number 4, answer every question even if unsure. Section B is worth 30 marks and includes 5 multitask questions, each worth 6 marks. These questions require a deeper understanding of the given scenario. Keep these pointers in mind. Number 1, understand the scenario thoroughly. Number 2, read the questions carefully. Number 3, take your time before answering. Number 4, attempt every question even if unsure. And number 5, practice using exam standard questions and specimen tests. Preparing for the ACCA Corporate and Business Law can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key to success lies in mastering the right exam strategies and techniques. Number 1, practice time management. The exam consists entirely of compulsory questions, so planning and time management are essential. With 120 minutes to complete a 100-mark paper, aim for 1.2 minutes per mark. Apply this time management system to every question, including objective tests, and break down longer questions based on the marks. This approach ensures you allocate appropriate time relative to each question's value, helping you secure easy marks and attempt all questions before time runs out. Number 2, read requirements carefully. The key to answering correctly is to read the requirements carefully and fully understand what's being asked. Take your time to think through a suitable solution, then reread the requirement to ensure your planned answer covers all the key points. This especially is important for objective type questions as incorrect answers are designed to mislead. Rushing can cause you to miss vital details, so take the time to understand the context and apply the correct knowledge. Always remember to answer the specific question asked. Number 3. Master the CBE tool. To succeed in the exam, you must be comfortable using the CBE tool. Practice extensively in the CBE area and take mock tests. Additionally, practice specimen CBE exam papers on the ACCA website. The more familiar you are with the CBE format and answer methods, the better your performance will be on the exam day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ACCA tips and guides. Good luck with your studies and we'll see you again back in the next video.